Tire mileage warranties are a great selling point, but they only work if customers understand how to use them. As tire dealers and service professionals, it's up to you to help customers get the most out of their tires, while also protecting your own credibility and avoiding unnecessary warranty headaches. Let's break down how to guide customers through their mileage warranty so you can help them get the most out of their new tire purchase. First, you need to be clear with customers about what that mileage warranty number really means. If it says 60,000 or 80,000 miles, that's not a guarantee. It's a projection under ideal conditions and circumstances. A lot of your customers may assume mileage coverage is automatic, with no questions asked. However, it's your job to let them know that getting the full mileage depends on regular maintenance, like rotations, inflation, and alignment. Take a minute during the sale to explain what is required to keep that warranty valid and why it matters. Tire rotation is a big one. Most tire warranties require rotation every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Make sure your service writers log it and, even better, remind your customers when they're due. That way, they can plan ahead of time to ensure they don't miss out if something goes wrong. Speaking of reminding customers, make sure they know that tires with irregular wear from missed rotations or bad alignment are not covered. The same goes for underinflation and overinflation. If your techs notice uneven wear during service, that's a great opportunity to remind customers of warranty expectations and document it. Some brands bundle mileage warranties with extra coverage. One example is Continental's Total Confidence Plan, which includes mileage protection, road hazard coverage, a customer satisfaction trial, and more. Mileage warranties are just as much about you as they are about the customer keeping up with them. At the point of sale, set the expectations, document the maintenance anytime they come in, and stay proactive with your customers. You'll not only build loyalty with those customers, but you'll make sure they know you care about their investment, not just the sale. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.